To obtain a cash advance from a Capital One credit card, you have two convenient options. Firstly, you can visit any nearby ATM, regardless of whether it is a Capital One ATM or not. Although using an out-of-network ATM may incur additional costs. Simply insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the cash advance option, following the on-screen instructions to enter the desired withdrawal amount. Before completing the transaction, it is essential to understand the associated fees. Alternatively, you can visit a bank branch displaying a Visa or MasterCard logo. Present a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, along with your Capital One credit card, and the bank teller will assist you in obtaining your cash advance. Both methods are straightforward, allowing you to easily access a cash advance from your Capital One credit card.